Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at Euro Yen as we are expecting some more yen strength to come in the markets. We obviously looked at dollar yen yesterday, where we talked about the potential for the yen to strengthen due to the uncertainty in the markets, and we've seen that yen strength continue going into today's session, and the market could be setting up for some downside here on euro yen as well. The euro has been underperforming lately. We've recently seen the ECB come out and talk about that they are not going to hike interest rates. This is going to have an effect on the markets due to the fact that there is also rising inflation throughout Europe. So, it's looking at the fact that the ECB aren't going to use rates as a tool to control the inflation. Obviously, as well, they've pretty much remained neutral anyway, just because they want the flexibility of being able to kind of play around with the rates if needs be. Now, obviously, there is some uncertainty as well, which is why they have probably held rates yet again, or are going to hold rates yet again. But that could be a little bit of a negative for the euro at the moment, and we've started to see some downside. Now, euro yen is an interesting market. We are coming back into a previous weekly support zone where we are starting to see some buyers step back into the market. However, if that risk-off sentiment is going to continue, I'd expect the market to remain bearish for this week, and we can see here at the moment price has broken to the downside, forming a new lower low just through there. So what I'll be looking to do is identify that supply zone where we could potentially see these sellers re-enter the market, and that supply zone to me is all the way back up around about 129. We can see here that the market had a sort of stumbling block before breaking into and making new lows. Now, in those situations, what I like to look at is the last bullish candlestick before the market breaks into new lows, because that's going to be the point where those sellers really started to drive through and push that market through that key low. So I'm looking to see if we can get some further downside if the price returns back to this level and finds resistance. So if the market does retrace back to this zone in here, forms bearish price action, that to me is an area of interest to start seeing further selling opportunities. So keep your eye on euro yen. Key supply zone to look for is around about 128.90 up to that 129 sort of 20 area. Obviously 129 sits through that zone as well, which is an area of interest. So keep an eye on that, and we could potentially see some further short selling opportunities. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.